It's really a great day for a celebration. It's a celebration of hope and optimism about the future of the school with which we are all associated. The arrival of any new leader is a pivotal moment, but today's occasion feels, to me, especially significant as we welcome Marty and Danny Mooney into our community.
Congratulations, Marty. We are so excited for this new chapter of Wyoming Seminary's history with you.
We're all for you, Marty. We're all behind you, and it's going to be a good year.
We know that you will take the direction of the school to where it needs to go.
We know you're going to do well.
The man he is, I so admire him. He has so many gifts.
My goal for SEM is to be the first place students and parents consider when looking for the kind of life-changing experiences we offer, both in and out of the classroom. Verum, pulchrum, bonum. The true, the beautiful, and the good. Our motto is an expression of both our guiding principles and the loftiest goals for our students. Rather than drill down into these words, I want to look at them collectively as the ideals to which we aspire.
Marty has always been, for me, for as long as I've known him, a go-to for any advice, for guidance.
I treasure your friendship, and I wish you the best.
Congratulations, Mr. Mooney. We are honored to have been part of such a special day for you and the family and the whole Wyoming Seminary community.
Marty, we are so glad to have you here.
We love you and Danny and your whole family.
He cares about the students. He cares about the faculty.
Congratulations. Best of luck as you go forward, and we're so glad you're here, Marty.
Congratulations and good luck.
We are so proud of you. This is an amazing ceremony.
Congratulations, Marty.
You're a perfect fit, so congratulations.
I want to be a better person now that I heard that speech.
Congratulations! I'm so happy to get a new head of our school. Yeah.
We've been doing this since 1844, holding on tightly to the strength and traditions of our past. Let today mark and celebrate our vision for tomorrow. The vast, open, and exciting possibility of our future.